Understanding wheelchair ramp, an essential accessibility feature. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase, wheelchair ramp. Understanding this term not only enhances your vocabulary but also raises awareness about accessibility issues. Let's dive in. A wheelchair ramp is a sloping surface that allows wheelchair users and people pushing strollers or carts to more easily access a building or other raised area. Unlike stairs, ramps provide a gentle, gradual incline. They are essential for making spaces accessible and inclusive for everyone, regardless of their mobility. Wheelchair ramps are more than just a convenience. They are a crucial aspect of accessibility and independence for individuals with mobility challenges. Without ramps, many public and private spaces would be inaccessible to them. Ramps symbolize inclusivity and the right of every individual to access public and private places. You can find wheelchair ramps in various places like shopping malls, schools, government buildings, and private homes. They are usually made of materials like concrete, metal, or wood and are designed to be sturdy and safe. Some ramps are permanent, while others are portable and can be moved as needed. The term, wheelchair ramp, is commonly used in discussions about building design, urban planning, and disability rights. It's a practical term that emphasizes the need for universal design, creating environments that are usable by all people, to the greatest extent possible, without the need for adaptation. We hope this video has helped you understand the importance and use of wheelchair ramps. Remember, learning such phrases not only enriches your language skills but also helps you become more aware of and sensitive to the needs of others in your community. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.